In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player on Dynasty Warriors 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Dynasty Warriors 9 features 2-player gameplay for either online or offline, and you will be able to do split screen play. So all that you have to do is use an additional controller. So first, connect an additional controller to any platform where you are playing Dynasty Warriors 9. This can be done with a cable, so a wired connection, or a wireless connection to your platform. Once the controller has been detected, usually there will be a pop-up telling you to assign a user account to that controller. Now, this is very important. A lot of people have reported errors where they aren't able to do split screen or 2-player gameplay because they didn't assign a user account. So double check this. Make sure that you have either a user account properly set up or you assign them as a guest account. Once this is done, you will be able to open the game and start any save file that you have. Now, if you pause the game and you browse through all of the menus at the top of the screen, you will be able to find cooperative gameplay. So as you can see here, go over to this little handshake icon, and you will be able to choose between offline play or online play. This is where you will be able to set up split screen and 2-player gameplay on Dynasty Warriors 9. So, assuming that you want to share the same screen and you are on the same platform with an additional controller connected, go over to offline play. And immediately, as long as you set up the controller properly and you assign the user account like I mentioned, you will be able to select from any of the characters. So, player 2 is going to be able to select any officer that you see here. When they choose an officer, the game is going to immediately switch into split screen mode and you can go ahead and start any mission and start playing together. Like I said, you will also be able to do this online, but for this video I'm going to be focusing on offline play by connecting an additional controller to any platform. You will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish, and it is going to work flawlessly as long as you set up the controller properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2 players on Dynasty Warriors 9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!